So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Xfinity box is basically not working. Now this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the biggest thing I'd recommend doing, because I've just ran into this problem too, is that you might just want to go through and just double check your power cycle and making sure everything is plugged in properly. So make your way over to the back side of your box, and if you see these wires, this cable wire and then this wire as well, most likely if your box is showing you some sort of light at the front, then the power adapter is fine. So my power adapter is plugged in. Make sure yours is plugged in. You should be able to see this light here. Number two, the other main way to fix this is to just double check this black cable, that wire that's basically sticking out there, that's going into your cable side right there. You want to double check both those areas. Double check that this particular cable is fully plugged in and it's fully working, right? And then go do the same thing for the box as well. Make sure that particular cable is fully plugged in and working as well. Because I ran into this problem too, and that was the main reason why I was running into that issue. I had a little red light there, and that was the main reason I was running into that problem. So that's kind of the big step. If that's not working, another easy thing you can do too, and this can fix it for a lot of people, is to just power cycle your Xfinity box. So go through, either unplug that particular power adapter, just unplug it, or unplug it from the back side of your particular box. Give it about 10 to 15 seconds, maybe 30 seconds, and then go through, plug it back in, and that probably will end up fixing the problem for you as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.